We just got these new fridges. They're real. They're very, very small. And you open them by doing that. And they're just to fit like the insulin or the medicine for the missionaries. And then you have to twist that again. So in the back, you have to attach the cord. And so then this goes in here. You push it in. And then before the missionary can use it, make sure you switch from off to cold, and this green light should turn on. And that's the fridge. Clean them exactly like you would any other fridge when you're done with it. And it goes in R3 212 for medical use only. And you can carry it like this. It's super duper easy and lightweight. And then we're going to store them in here for now because that's the best place for them. We have 2 of them besides these big ones. So that's the latest on the fridges we recently got.